thought I'd follow up my Jean-Luc Picard brickhead with this Geordi LaForge brickhead, and I had a lot of fun designing them, especially the head. But as always, we'll start at the feet and just kind of go up. And you know, their pants are black, very simple. So you get the 4x4 plate and the 2x4 plate in black and a 1x2 brick in black. So the pants, very basic, very easy. For the shirt, I got to have a little fun because with Jean-Luc Picard, I just kind of made it nice and straight. For Geordi, I wanted to give you one design to kind of make it go more diagonal like their uniforms in the show. And to do that, I basically did a mirror. So I put a 1x1 brick here and a 1x1 brick here, and then just kind of follow the pattern backwards to get that design on the front and back. But we've got the 1x1 brick, and then underneath that, I've got a 1x2 black plate and a 1x1 yellow plate. Then I did a 1x1 black plate and a 1x2 yellow plate, and then a 1x2 plate in yellow and a 1x1 plate in yellow to kind of get that basically one step up. So every 3 plates is 1 brick, so I just kind of did that step up to make the black-yellow transition of the uniform. And I had a lot of fun with the insignia here. I actually played with a few of the different kind of minifigure accessories and shapes, and I just really loved this gold round tile piece. It just looked great on a square brick head. You just use a little circle for their little insignia and communication device. So I just wanted the circle, and I thought it looked really good on this uniform. And for his uniform itself, now on the left hand where the black stripe goes up, I did the yellow plate and a yellow tile on the top, and a black plate, a 1x2 black plate in his hand on the bottom, so it kind of matched his uniform on the side. And then on this side is just a standard 2x2 yellow plate with a 1x2 tile and his hand piece. And then for the head, now Jean-Luc Picard was bald, so I used nice smooth tile pieces, but Geordi had that, you know, military cropped haircut, so I used plate pieces to give it a little more texture as opposed to like the smooth scalp of our bald captain. But so it was a very simple build with, you know, plates on the top, plates on the back. I had the plate go over the top and down the back behind the ear, but I didn't give him any sideburns because of his visor here. So it's just black hair and then his skin tone underneath the ear there, but no sideburns on this Geordi LaForge. And to create the visor, which I think is like really, you know, what makes this Geordi LaForge, you know it's him no matter what, I used a 1x1 tile piece by the ear. So it's just a tile piece in this dark bluish gray to make kind of like the clips where it clips on to his sides of his face. And then for the sides, I use these 2x1 grilled slope pieces. So the 2x1 grill slope piece, so that it kind of looks like it just rounds on the sides. That's how I got that rounded look, was using the curved slope. And then just a regular 1x2 grill tile piece for the front. So I just got 2 of those for the front. And I originally had them all this skin tone, this reddish brown for the skin tone, but under the visor it didn't look right having like just that brown sticking out beneath it. So I put a 1x4 plate where the eyes would go to attach the grill pieces. And just, I like the shading there as opposed to like the reddish brown color. But this is my Geordi LaForge brickhead. I had fun making him. I'm looking forward to getting to the rest of the crew. I don't know if it'll all be next gen, or maybe I'll get back to the classics, Deep Space Nine. There's so much Star Trek now thanks to Paramount Plus.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.